Hello, good afternoon. Today is Feb 28. It's the post-op of my birthday bath. I thank God for my children, my friends, and my family to give a simple lunch for me. Pink is my favorite color. So I just found this shirt that my children gave it to me last Feb 27. It was my 70th birthday, so you could see the difference of my faces. So now I'm 71 years old. Pink is the roses, the flowers that really give me an inspiration, the color, the always positive. So we have to wear pink all the time to be a positive. Okay, this is the season now for spring, so pink. And thank you everyone for all the birthday greetings to me. Thank you, and I love you. Thank you, Pink.